Hi all, welcome to Homeschooling with Hira. Hope everyone is well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some tips on how you can teach the formation of numbers to your little ones. When it comes to writing, so we start direct writing at the age of 4 years. But before 4 years, we prepare children by giving them some pre-writing techniques or pre-writing exercises. If you want to learn those pre-writing exercises, so I will share the link in the description box. You can go there and check out how you can prepare your children for the direct writing. And in today's video, I will be sharing with you 2 tips for the correct formation of numbers. So come on, let's see what are those. But before we move any further, let me tell you that if you are new to my channel, so this channel is for you. If you are interested in English spelling rules, English phonics, English grammar, math activities, and above all, how to teach all this stuff to your little ones. So come on, it's the time to hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, and now just dive in. So tip number 1, you need to familiarize children with some basic strokes that are helpful in formation of numbers. What are they? You need to teach them go down straight, make a cap, slide back, go forward, make a tummy, and if they don't know how to write letter S, that is, you need to teach them this as well. But most of the time we teach letter S as one of the first letters to write, so they may already be familiar with this letter formation. And one thing more, K. The letter C, K. Let's see once again. Go down straight, make a cap, slide back, go forward, make a tummy, write S, write K. Now, how you can do this some other way? Ask them to simply move their hand without pencil. Go down straight, make a cap, slide back, go straight, make a tummy, write S, make. Keep doing this exercise time to time at your home, or if you are a teacher, so at a school. Our aim is to make their muscles strong enough to move in these directions, because when it comes to writing, we need these strokes for the formation of numbers. For example, if we want to write the number 2, we need to make a cap, slide back, go forward, number 2. So if they already know these strokes and the language that I'm giving you, it will be so easy for them to get it, and it will be tireless for you as well to teach them. Now let's see tip number 2. So the second tip is there is a big no to dots. Dots do not help children in writing, but they make them dependent writer. If you give dots to children at first, they will be relying over them. They will not use their mind, they will not connect their hand and brain to write anything. They will just be focusing on the dot and matching the lines. So there is a big no for dots for any kind of writing. If you want to give them writing, give them direct instructions. Go down, make cap, slide back, go forward. If you do this, they will get a better control on their hand movement, and they will be independent writers soon. So, a big no to dots. And now it's time to show you how to write the numbers in notebooks. Since you have already given them the instructions, you have familiarized them with the instructions, it's very simple now. For number 1, go down straight, 1. For number 2, make a cap, slide back, go forward, 2. For 3, make a tummy, then again make a tummy, 3. For number 4, slide back, go forward, go down straight, number 4. For number 5, go down straight, make a tummy, go straight, 5. Number 6. Slide back, go round and forward. Number 6. 7. Go straight, slide back. 8. Make S and cross. 8. For 9, make K, go up and down. 9. For 0, make a big K and close it. 0. This is the language and the correct formation of numbers from 0 to 1 or 1 to 10. Hope this video will help you in some way. If you have found it useful, so please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. I shall see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.